Hey guys, it is Wednesday here in West Virginia, and as promised, we're unboxing a Mini GT R32 Nismo S-Tune today in white. And it's actually one that I've had in my stock for a while for items I have for sale. Actually, I have, I think, 2 or 3 of them. So I went ahead and opened one, and I'm going to keep the one I'm opening because, as I mentioned when we unboxed this on Friday, that I was going to start a side collect of white Nissans. So this will be the first Mini GT in that new side collect, and I ordered the top secret VR32 Mini GT the other day. So when it comes, we'll do an unboxing on it, even though we've done an unboxing on it in the past. We'll do another one, and then we're going to compare this one with the VR, because a lot of people say this one was a little bit too small and the headlights were improper and things. So we're just going to take a look at them side by side and see how much did change. So anyways, let's focus on this one. This is Mini GT, Nissan Skyline GTR, Nismo S-Tune in white, number 106. This is a TSM model company, and on the bottom side you have your warning for choking hazards and your age recommendation for 14 years and older, because it is a collector's model. This end cap has Mini GT with scale 1/64. That end cap has your GTR emblem. Top side just has your number 106 collector number. On the back you have your Nissan licensing, your official holographic TSM model sticker, and then where to find Mini GT online on Facebook and on Twitter. And then you have what model this is over the UPC code. It is Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Nismo S-Tune white right-hand drive, and it gives you the serial number. These are all right-hand drive. They never offered a left-hand model because they're trying to make it as authentic as possible the way Nissan produced them. So Nissan only produced right-hand drive R32s. So let's get this guy out and take a look at him. And I believe we did an unboxing on this in the past. Well, I know we did, but I don't know if we did a individual video or a video on its own. I know when the silver one was first launched, we did a single video on it because mine was the first video on YouTube for the S-Tune Nismo in silver. So as you can see, like on the box, they have a picture of the actual diecast, and this is like the prototype because it has the gray wheels. The actual release model has white wheels. So that's one thing that I did really dig about this car, is that it's white with the color match 5 spokes, the traditional authentic Nismo striping, and the mirrors are plastic or very hard rubber, so you need to be careful with these because they will probably break. But they are corner mounted in the corner of the window, so they are authentic and accurate. And I believe the headlights do look a little bad with the hole where they have for the plastic tab to go through to mount them. That was the one downside of it, but besides that, in my opinion, they're not bad. They may be a little bit thick, but comparing to anything else out there at the time this was released, I would say this was the best one. Maybe Kyosho is a little better, not sure. Didn't have one to compare. But as you can see, it does have nice detail with the louvers in the front bumper cover, the grille, the Nismo intercooler. And then you have your Nismo S-Tune emblems and such there on the fender leg. Then you have your B-pillar in there. It's part of the window bucket. I believe it's part of the window bucket. I think it is. I've never taken one of these apart. Actually, I did take one of these apart because I did swap the white wheels from this and put them on the Give Mini GT R32 from the event a couple years back. So that's a lie. I did have one of these apart. This one specifically. So anyways, cannot remember if the window bucket popped out or not, but it does look like the B-pillar is part of the window bucket. Correct spoiler with a third brake light. Oh, no, it's not a third brake light. It's got a Nismo emblem. My bad. So the taillights are red acrylic, which look really good. And then there are no vanity plates or anything like that on it. You can see the trunk lock, the GTR emblem, and such, very nicely detailed. And the base is very nicely detailed, held together with button head Phillips screws. It is metal on metal, and it has a silver exhaust tip and muffler. So pretty cool, nicely done. So this guy is going to go right here in the middle. So we are up to 4 white Nissans now. And we have a white top secret VR32 Mini GT ordered, and a Mini GT R34 in white with the white hood. There's one with a carbon hood. I did not order that one. Maybe eventually I'll get around to that, but I'm not sure. I have a couple of white Mini GT R35s coming. One's pretty rare. It is a I think it's Pop Race and Mini GT collaboration, the white one, the Eva R, I think it is. But that's a pretty rare car. We have that one coming up probably in a couple of weeks, maybe a month. And then the Silhouette LBWK R35 coming up. So we'll just gradually start building this white Nissan collection and such. And as I've mentioned before, I'll occasionally pick up the random Mini GT every now and then. Mostly it's going to be Nissans, but maybe an occasional Toyota or Lamborghini or something like you've seen over the past month or so. So anyways, guys, we'll be back again on Friday to do a Free It Friday, and we have a couple of older garage cars, 2011 garage releases. One is the Cyclone I was mentioning when we unboxed the Super Cyclone the other day, and one is a 63 Plymouth Max Wedge. So we'll be unboxing both of those for you on Friday, so be sure to tune back in for that. So enjoy the rest of your week, guys. Thanks for watching.